Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you totally two websites where we can create a very high quality do follow profile backlink and the social bookmarking backlink. Okay, so the first website name is a codework.org. So this is a .org website. So definitely you can include this website for your backlinking. So now we can start. For this website domain rating is 85 and the spam score is 1% and domain authority is 56 according to Moj. And if I can show you this website traffic, so according to similar web, this website having around 912k 912k and the mostly traffic from USA, China, Germany, UK, India and another country. Okay, so now we can start. First thing, you can see this is a website, and what you can do, you can click on the register button, and then there you can put your username, your email address. Then you guys will choose your password, and after you can verify this captcha, and you can click on the register account, and this site will send you the activation email, so you can check your Gmail box. So you can see I received the activation email. So you can open this, you can click on this link and then you can put your password, click on the confirm password and you see this is a dashboard. So you can click on this top of the right corner profile icon, click on the setting button and there you can, if you're wanting, so you can change your username and there you can put your full name. Then after you can add a biography, that means a description about your company or the person. They have a description limit, so make sure you can add description under 200 character and then you can add your website URL and the location about your company. Then after you can click on the update profile. So our profile is updated. Now we can upload profile picture. So you can click on this, choose file. There you can upload a profile picture. You can click on the update avatar and our profile is updated. So I can show you, you can click on the profile button and this is your profile landing page URL. And if I can show you in incognito, so this is an instant approved backlink or not. So this is a backlink, and if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you can see this is 100% do follow backlink, and I can show you how you can create your social bookmarking backlink in this website. So simply you can click on the new project and there you can put your title. So let me open a website and suppose if I can planning to create a social bookmarking backlink for this page. So there you can put your title, there you can add a short description and here you can add your website URL. Then after, if you're wanting, so you can change any template. There is an option to you can choose anything. Then after you can click on the create a project. So you can see our one social bookmarking backlink is created. And if I can click on this, so you can see this is your project. And if you're wanting, so you can add their images or anything, close. And this is a no flow backlink. The thing is, you can also create your social bookmarking backlink in this website. Okay, so this site is for the profile and the social bookmarking. Let me open the notepad, profile and social, and the same I can add in the description section, so where you guys will aware so what is about for this website. Suppose this is for the social bookmarking and the profile, so you can easily understand when you guys are clicking on the description, clicking from the description. So the let's move to the next website. So the next website name is 3dprintboard.com. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription. to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co. And for this website, we can check a domain authority. Domain rating according to Acharya is 68. And if I can show you on Moj, so this website domain authority is 69 and the spam score is only 1%, so everything is good. Let's check a similar web statics. So around 59.5k monthly traffic this website having, and the mostly traffic from India, Pakistan, USA, India, UK, Germany, and Pakistan. Okay, so now we can start. First thing, you can click on the register button. There you can put your username, then your password. Here you can add your email address. Then you can submit your email address. They will ask you anti-spam verification question. So you can read this. Please enter the first and last letter of this word. So P and G. What is the 20th letter of alphabet is around I think T. Then you can verify this captcha and D. Then after you can click on this for the I have read the terms and condition. Then after you can click on the complete registration. So your account is created. This site will send you the activation email. So it might take a couple of seconds. Around I received 1 minute later. So you can wait a couple of time. Then you can receive activation email. So I can click on the spam. So what we can do, you can click on the login button. In the meantime, you receiving the password. Thank you for the logging in the training. And what you can do, you can click on the setting button. Then you can see there is edit profile. You can click on this. And what you can do, you can add your website URL. And then you can add a short description about your company. And if you have, then you can add your location. Then there you can add your targeted keyword. So your main targeted keyword, so suppose digital marketing training. This is my targeting keyword. And if you have, then you can add your social media accounts. And there is an option for the Facebook. So we can add a Facebook URL. And once you guys will complete these things, then after you can click on the save changes. And you can see our profile is successfully updated. And what we can do, how you can see your profile landing page URL. So you can click on this username. If you can see here in the menu section, there is your username available. You can click on this and you can click on the about, and you see this is your backlink. And if I can show you in incognito, so this is an instant approved backlink or not. So you can see this is an instant approved backlink, but this is in, if I can click on this DML training, you can click on about and you see this is your backlink. And if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow. So you can see this is 100% do follow backlink. So today we created a high quality do follow profile backlink and the one for the social bookmarking. So this is the process to how you can create your backlinks in this website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details in the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys are wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.